Start with a sketch in the top view. Draw a rectangle as the main shape of the piece and assign its dimensions according to the specifications in the drawing. Add a circle to the sketch on the dashed line and adjust its size and position. In the sketch, arrays help you avoid repetitive operations. In this case, you will use a circular array to draw 4 circles. To create the solid, select Extruded Boss Base from the Operations window and define the height. Start a sketch on the top face to draw a 5-sided polygon. Add a circle with its origin on the previously drawn circle. Another interesting function to speed up your design is the use of mirror entities. For this, you need to draw dashed lines. Select the element and click on Mirror Entities. And in the Mirror About field, select the dashed line, and you will repeat the steps for the rest of the circles. In this way, everything will be drawn uniformly. To extrude correctly, we draw the square by using Convert Entities. To extrude the sketch, make sure that only the sections you need are extruded. That is, everything except the polygon and the circles. Great! Now to practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck!